Coal mines are crucial to India's energy security and economic development. They provide over half of India's total primary energy needed and are essential for power generation, supporting industries and generating government revenue. Coal provides a sustainable portion to India's total energy consumption with thermal power plants, largely fueled by coal mines, generating over 70% of the country's electricity. Some coal mines in India are Tyra coal mine, Jharkhand, the largest and oldest coal mine. Second one, Rajagiri coal mine. It is present in West Bengal. It is the largest and the history of coal production. Third one, Singrauli coal mine. It is present in Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. All group are present. My group name is Pharmacy Group. The pharmaceutical industry and pharmacy profession are vital to Indian healthcare system and economy. India is known as the pharmacy of the world. It provides affordable medicines at pandemic situation, contributes significantly to the economy, and support public healthcare system. It provides affordable medicines at pandemic situations, contribute significantly to the economy, and support public health initiatives. Pharmacists play a vital role in dispensing healthcare system, educating patients and preventing medication errors. They act as caregivers, decision makers, lifelong learners, communicators, researchers, and agents of positive change. Thank you. Which is crucial for food security, economic growth and rural livelihood. Their role extends beyond merry crop cultivation to encompass rural development, nation buildings and overall economic prosperity. Farmers play a significant role in contributing to the gross domestic products. It is our duty to respect every farmer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I wish you a happy Independence Day to all. Social reformers, scientists, soldiers, freedom fighters, poets and sheeting, etc. Apart from these, farmers, coal mines, infrastructure, farmer sector plays a vital role in development of India. Farmers. After India's independence, the agriculture sector underwent significant transformations, evolving from a state of food security to self-sacrificing and even exports. Coal mines. After India's independence, coal mining significant transformation impact the nation, economy and environment. Infrastructure. The infrastructure has undergone a massive transformation since independence, shifting from a larger underdevelopment. Farmer sector. After India's independence, the farmer sector industry underwent significant transformation, evolved from a major import. Conclusion. In conclusion, these sectors have undergone significant transformation since India's development from the Green Revolution to commerce, coal mining and infrastructure development. Each sector has contributed to